I swear every weekly vlog starts with me looking really janky in my kitchen. I just thought I'd check in and say hello. I haven't vlogged the last couple of days. It's Wednesday today, just because I absolutely completely knuckled down and I finished that piece of work that you might have seen in last week's vlog. So I've whittled it down now to, I've got 3 final like major pieces of coursework due in. So I'm really excited that I've done that, although it did literally take up like the last 2 days of my life completely. There would have been no point in saying hello because it just would have been so boring. And the food shop's just come, so I thought that's exciting, that's worth saying hello for. Nothing makes me happier than a full fridge. So I've got a couple of broccolis, red onions. Oh, I got some berries because spring is upon us and I fancy doing like some porridge with some berries on top. I've got some peppers so I can do some fajitas. One of these vegetable fat spreads again. I got some eggs. These ones are left over from last week, and then I've got a big new one. Some reduced fat cheese. Also really fancied brie this week, so got some brie. Some natural yogurt, a couple of mangoes. Right, have you seen the Asda advert? This is like the reason I've got the mangoes. I've got an avocado as well, and I've got the mangoes there and some salmon fillets. I'm basically gonna be ambitious and try and make the recipe that I've seen on the Asda advert. It's basically tortilla wraps with salmon, mango, avocado, red onion and black pepper, and they look really healthy and really spring-like, and oh, they just look delicious. So I'm gonna try and make those. Just got a couple of like snacky ham bits, one of these quiches because I got one from Sainsbury's a few weeks ago and I really liked it, so I've got another one of them. Oh my god, look at my nails, I need to get those done. And then I've just got a fresh double cream and a sour cream so that we can do fajitas and a nice pasta. I've got some squash, some milk, there's the tortilla wraps. I don't really have a bread bin, I don't have a place for them to live. The cupboard's looking stacked to perfection. Got Chris some of these like pot noodle things. Fajita kit, some couscous back there, some more bags of pasta, some pasta sauces, some pasta bake sauce, passata, all the chopped tomatoes are new. Few tins of baked beans and some ravioli and a couple of bananas and a nice avocado. I actually completely hate avocado with a fiery passion, but it was in that recipe and the recipe looks nice, so I'm looking forward to that. The flat again is messy, however despite a messy flat, I've got 2 parcels. So my big boohoo order arrived and my ASOS order. I haven't made the bed yet, what a tramp. But I was meant to film the try on haul video today, but I ended up organising the food shop because that got delivered at about 11, and then I went to the doctor's because I have my injection appointment. I get the contraceptive injection. And I have to have it every 3 months, and I was slightly overdue, so I had to book the appointment like urgently, and the only time they could fit me in was today, so I went and got that sorted. So yesterday I finished my work and it got to about 7 o'clock at night, and I decided to go and meet up with a friend and go for a walk down through Greenwich. And I'm so annoyed I didn't take my camera, I just completely didn't think to, and that was just to celebrate the fact that I'd like finished that piece of coursework. But tonight I think I'm just gonna chill. I've got some laundry to do again, it's so exciting. I promise you I do leave the house sometimes. I swear in these vlogs like 99% of it is just me in the kitchen being boring, talking about my food shop and talking about how much uni work I have to do or whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill, have a nice evening to myself. Oh, got an email from my lecturer saying that tomorrow's lecture's cancelled. So that means I've got another free day and I'm gonna be productive. But for now, I'm going to be the biggest, most boring person on the face of the earth. I'm gonna play some Sims 4 and I'm gonna watch The Chase. Alright, ready for my random lunch/dinner. I'm not really sure what time Chris is home, so I'm just sorted myself out basically. But I've got that little crustless quiche, the broccoli and cheese, and then a couple of slices of brie and just a slice of ham, and I've got a mango, strawberries and blueberries in there, and I think that looks pretty. Hey, so it's turning into what I ate again during the week, but I'm so proud. I've just made this cute little burger. It's tiny, like it's thin, and I burnt the bun a little bit, but I've got like 2 little mini burgers in there, some bacon, onion, cheese, a bit of mayo, and I found some caramelized onion chutney in the fridge, so I put that on the bun. It's gonna be lush. So like, it's quite late now, I'm quite tired. I wasn't planning on eating again, but I'm sitting inside, and you know what it's like when you almost just want to eat out of boredom. So that's what I'm doing now, but I'm gonna eat this and carry on chilling, basically. Very morning. Just about to water John. Yeah. Literally just woken up, and I'm just gonna drink my tea, jump in the shower. I'm gonna go to Marble Arch with Chris later on this evening. Sorry about the music, it's Chris's. But gonna go to Marble Arch later on, and hopefully go to Saint Aymes, the coffee shop. It's very beautiful, it's very Instagram worthy, so hoping to go there later on. The weather's not very nice. It's a bit grey, it's a bit miserable. Don't want to be in my vlog. Ended up in Oxford Street Top Man because Chris can't do anything with me without there being an ulterior motive. So we're getting coffee, but we're also getting him a leather jacket. Da, 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 da. Oh, now I've got to take pictures. It's so pretty. Hello. I'm so not feeling this. Oh my god! Chris got pink. I got lilac to match myself. So this is 24 karat gold on top. Can confirm, gold tastes like nothing. It's good. Ah!
Fine there.
Goodbye, lilac. Goodbye.
That's what I did. I really hate when people just say I hate photonics. I'm like, what the fuck? No, nobody hates photonics.
Mine will be online.
Like online with current on this.
And we'll be able to produce more.
Really well. But we don't like the current on this.
Yes, it will be able to produce more content.
So I'm just about to go to work, yes, looking like this. I was at uni and I had to rush back because I was going to be late. I haven't had a chance to like put any makeup on, not that I can really be bothered to anyway. I'm only working 6 until 11:30. But as usual, the flat is an absolute disgrace. I'm an absolute disgrace. I can get away with it though, I think, just. But yeah, tomorrow's Saturday, and I've been saying it all week, but I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm going to go and get my nails done. I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm getting my nails done. Fine. I'm off to work, and I will see you tomorrow. Greetings, Earthlings. I didn't actually pick up the camera yesterday. I've had Me and Chris had a very bad argument, which really got to me because we barely ever argue. We're a couple who don't tend to argue very much, not about everyday sort of stuff. So when we do have an argument, it can be worrying. And that took up my entire day yesterday. It was Saturday yesterday and it was really beautiful weather, but we woke up and something happened and it just triggered it off, and it ended up taking up the whole day basically. And then we both went to work and we didn't really speak, and I'm still not really sure what's happening, so I'm trying to keep positive. It's just down to the fact that we're not spending any time together, and I know it sounds stupid because we live together and we do see each other every day, but we haven't taken time to just spend time together as a couple for ages. So that's just been really getting me down, and so we argued, but what we really should have done is talk about it, obviously, and I don't want to go into too much detail, obviously, but I just thought, like, for the sake of the vlog, why there was nothing to show for yesterday, that's why. So I feel better today because we did sort of have a bit more to say to each other earlier today. I'm not sure what's going to happen completely, but I've just got to stay positive, I think, about it and try and sort it out. So I've cleaned up most of the house. Evidence of my cleaning, I've cleaned up this area because it was all very sort of cluttered, and now it's looking a bit better. Swept the floors, I've hoovered the hallway, but we really need to get this carpet cleaned because it's like stained in places. And I've just made myself some lunch, which is tuna pasta bake with some steamed broccoli on the side, and I found a really good documentary on YouTube. It's called In Solitary, The Antisocial Experiment, and it only came out last year and it's quite good, so that's worth a watch if you enjoy documentaries. But I'm gonna go and eat my lunch now and get ready for work later on, and I'll check in with you soon. Just in the staff toilet's ready to start work. I've got a pint of coffee, very needed. So I'm doing the 6 till 11 shift, so I shouldn't be finished too late. I've got uni in the morning, so. Evening. If I look tired, it's probably because I am. I'm glad it's the end of a long week. I'm really hideously spotty, which is really annoying me. I'm just about to go and give myself like a really deep facial cleanse because I think I really need it, and I got to be up early in the morning for uni, but work was fine, uneventful, boring. Me and Chris have had a couple of words. I still don't want to say too much, but I feel positive. Whatever happens, I'm sure we'll be right, and I feel secure in the sense that we've been together for 3 years. Neither of us are idiots. We both absolutely love each other, and the fact that we've had like a bad argument doesn't necessarily mean the end of the world. So I'm trying to stay positive about it, and I'm sorry that the vlog's ended on sort of like a negative note. Obviously you can't plan for these sorts of things to happen, but tomorrow's the start of a new week and I'm looking forward to seeing sort of how things go, and also staying with like a positive mindset. Like tomorrow is the last week of uni starting. Tomorrow, Monday morning, is my last week, the first day of my last week left of uni, so I'm so excited. And I just think like staying positive is the key thing at the moment, because obviously I'm going to be stressing about everything and obviously nothing's going to feel quite right, but I just have to stay as positive as possible and I'm sure it'll work itself out. So as usual, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that the last few days have been a bit boring. I had such a good time at the beginning of this week. Like, had a really nice couple of days last week. This week just gone. The stuff you've just watched, basically. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, as always, and thank you for looking on my face, and I will see you in the next video.